everyone, it's LaSalle from Rally Innovations. We just picked up a 2017 Subaru Crosstrek in my favorite color, quartz blue pearl. Now, it was hard to find this particular vehicle in this color combo with black interior and a 5-speed manual. We're going to show you how we build our Overland type vehicle in a progression that suits your budget. So at any time during the series, feel free to stop or keep going until you build your ultimate trek. So people always ask us, what do I do first? Or how many lights do I need? Well, a good place to start would be replacing the factory fog lights. Although the factory fogs do put out some additional light, those of us that venture out into pitch black or foggy areas know that these don't quite cut it. What we recommend is the Rally Innovations Light Conversion Kit using the Baja Designs Squadron-R's SAE, Sport, or Pro, depending on your lighting needs. Before we change out the factory fogs, let's take out our Crosstrek and show you the current light output.
Hey, how's it going? I'm Jason. I am the official field tester for the Overland build of the 2017 Subaru Crosstrek. I've been tasked to bring you honest feedback on each of the upgrades that we bring to the build, so see how they perform on and off the road. So make sure you check out all the videos in the series and see what piques your interest. And don't forget, check back often.
Okay, so we found a nice desolate area to do some control testing. We're going to try to get an idea of the light pattern that the factory lights put out. We'll first start off with the factory headlights. We will add the fog lights. Then we'll flip out the fog lights and then the headlights. Okay, so we are just about 60 feet from the car, and we wanted to give an example of what the factory headlights and fog lights look like to oncoming cars. So we'll start off with the factory headlights. We'll add the factory fog lights, and then we'll pull the fog lights out, and then the headlights. There you have it.
So we're back from testing, and now we're going to install the light conversion kit. So to install the light conversion kit, we need to remove the factory bezels. I'm not really digging the chrome, so what I'm going to do is have them sent out to our good friends at Rollertech and have them blacked out in vinyl. The grill has chrome too, so I'm going to have those sent out as well. Now here you go. Here's the factory fog light. So now we're going to take out the factory fogs and install these. and make sure that it clicks. We got our bezels back, and they're all nice and black. We got our grille back, which is all satin black with a silver accent. And now let's turn on the lights. Whoa, those are bright.
So we were back to the same lot where we tested the factory headlights and fog lights, but now we have the Rally Innovations fog light conversion kit with the Baja Designs Squadron-R Sport fog lights. So let's take a look and see what they look like. We'll go ahead and start with the headlights, and then we'll add the fog lights. What you'll notice here is that the pattern actually feels quite a bit more on the bottom ends, on the bottom left and the bottom right, but in addition to that, you get a fill on the both upper right and upper left to fill those areas, especially on those dark nights, those dark roads, and then in inclement weather, you'll definitely get a better view of things coming out of corners. So definitely an improvement, especially for the ease of installment and the low power of the lights. You definitely get a really good result. All right, we are back to our same lot, our testing lot, and are super excited tonight because we have got the Rally Innovations fog light conversion kit on the car. And along with the Baja Designs Squadron-R Sport light, I think it's gonna be really amazing. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and do our same setup. We will start off with the headlight, and then we will add the fog light. It's funny, every single time. It's quite bright, like the sun. That's pretty amazing.